folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. How many times do you get asked to bring an appetizer, or you just feel like bringing something to pitch in? Stuffed mushroom caps. I've put together some marvelous flavors. Follow this recipe. Your guests will be guaranteed to love it and come back for more. Let's get cooking.
To start off, you'll need some crackers. I chose the club crackers. They have a buttery flavor and they're quite flaky. Whatever crackers you have on hand will do the trick. Now take 6 or 8 crackers, place them into a Ziploc bag. Using a meat tenderizer or a hammer or the bottom of a pot, just tap them gently until you get them to fine crumbs. Now for the stuffing, we're going to start out with 1 cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of green onions, 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes finely diced, 2 slices of bacon finely chopped up, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic powder, and now I like to use some Creole seasoning. I'm using Zatarains, 1 tablespoon of that, and then we'll put in 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese freshly grated, and 1/2 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Mix this thoroughly with a fork. There'll be enough stuffing here for about 20 to 30 mushroom caps, depending on the size of the mushrooms. Now I like to get as much stuffing as possible in my mushroom caps. I use a teaspoon, and you can flip the teaspoon upside down. Using the point of it, you're able to push all that stuffing in all the empty crevices. Then simply flip your teaspoon over, use all the excess on the teaspoon, and smooth it out. It's that simple. And once they're all stuffed, you just gently press them into our cracker crumbs. Then we'll place them on our cookie sheet covered with parchment paper. Into the preheated oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Oh my, there they are, fresh out of the oven. I like to serve them with a little bit of blue cheese for dipping. Talk about mouth-watering.
Well, that was another simple and delicious recipe. If there's any recipes you'd like to see, drop me a direct line or leave me a note right here on YouTube. And don't forget you can subscribe to my videos because I put a new one out every Monday. Well, I hope you enjoy these. I hope you get to try them out with your friends. I'm going to try one right now. The smell, the aroma in here is beautiful. Oh, beautiful flavors, the Creole seasoning, the sun-dried tomatoes, all those different cheeses. I'm telling you, your friends are gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Baby, please don't pretend you do.